There are two ways to add an event or booking onto the calendar or booking calendars. You can either open the calendar or booking calendar applications via the search bar or frog drive and then manage them from in there, or alternatively you can do this via the Create Event widget in a site. The advantage of using the Create Event widget is that it saves the number of clicks needed to get to the calendar and add events or bookings to it, especially if you use it on a dashboard. To use the Create Event widget, just drag the widget onto a page and then click it to open the widget settings in the Edit panel. You will then be able to choose which calendar you want this widget to create events for, in the same way you would for the calendar widget. So you have two choices, either personal, which points to the calendar application, or booking, which points to the booking calendar application. Once you've chosen which calendar type you want to use, you then need to select from the drop-down list which calendar item you wish the Create Event widget to point to. You also have the ability to allow recurring events or not when using this widget. Everyone will be able to see the Create Event widget unless you use rules to hide it. Permission to add events is handled by the calendars themselves, so you will have to set up these permissions in the applications, otherwise users will receive an error message. Once you are happy with the Create Event widget settings, it's worth adding a calendar widget below and setting it to point to the same calendar. Combining these two widgets like this is a great way to use them, as it means the user adding the event or booking can see it added to the calendar straight away. To see the widget in action, fill in the details and then click Submit. Once you have submitted the event, you should see it appear in the calendar below. If you need to edit and manage any existing events or bookings on the calendar, you will need to do this via the calendar or booking calendar applications. As with several of the other widgets, this is a widget mainly used by Frog Admin. It's worth considering hiding it in the Groups and Policies app for all but admins, as this will reduce the number of widgets in the widget tray.